Howdy folks, welcome to our One Paella Ranch. Today, we are bridging two worlds. We're taking the rich, smoky, slow-cooked goodness of Texas beef ribs and marrying it with the ultimate Spanish comfort food. That's right, we are making a beef rib paella entirely over an open flame. Smoky beef rib paella. Step 1 is all about the fat. We're searing this massive beef rib to render out that rich fat. Then we take it out. That fat is going to be the flavor base for our aromatics. In goes the onion and garlic to brown up nicely. Now we build the body of our paella. We add our tomato sauce, a good dash of paprika, and 900 milliliters of beef stock. We let that simmer for just a couple of minutes to bring the flavors together, and then we bring our beef, now cut into perfect bite-sized cubes, right back into the pool. Here is the star of the show, 300 grams of calaspara rice. This specific Spanish rice is incredible at absorbing all this rich beef broth without getting mushy. Now, hands off. We let this cook on the stove over the fire for 15 to 18 minutes. Just look at that color. Plating this on a dark blue dish really shows off that gorgeous yellow rice. The beef is tender, the rice is perfectly cooked. This is Texas Spanish perfection. Thank you all for watching, and head over to the website to try this yourself.